Alright, grade 2, I'm not going to be spending an awful lot of time on this quiz because it's pretty straightforward, especially the first page. So what you should have is your M6A worksheet and your M6B worksheet. You don't have to write your name because you are going to cut them out with a ruler, a pencil and scissors. My scissors are too far to grab right now. You are going to cut it out very nicely, not the 7th of August. It's the 14th. And cut, paste in at the back of your workbook. And your workbook is the grammar book, okay? We are using the books that we would have used in class because our quarantine books are full and I don't want to waste any resources. We already have those books, so why not use them? So at the back of the grammar book, you can paste that. Alright, pause the video if you haven't, cut and paste it, which you obviously haven't because no one can do that in 2 seconds. But I'm going to move on. I'm going to start with the quiz. It starts by saying, solve the addition problems with regrouping. Correctly carry over where needed. Now, a lot of you in the worksheets that I got from last week, you did it very well, but you didn't show me what it is that you did to get to the answer. And that's the whole point of regrouping. I want to see how you go store in the neighbor's attic, or I want to see how you go borrow from the neighbor, what the neighbor has left and what he gave to you. Okay? Please don't leave out the little, I almost want to say steps that show me exactly what it is that you did. I need to see how you calculated the sum. That's what regrouping is all about. So, please show me what you do. First one, 27 plus 16. You can go ahead and solve that. Just a little tip before you get started, I would put them all in their houses so that I'm completely sure of where I'm storing what and where I'm borrowing what. 27 plus 6. I'm actually going to read them all through, then you can pause, go ahead and do them, and I'm going to move on because waiting after each one is not going to work for me. So, the sums that you have to do for your regrouping. 27 plus 16, 34 plus 39, 46 plus 25, 53 plus 17, 19 plus 43, 68 plus 38. Again, I would suggest that you put them in your houses first. Second line is with 3 digits. 137 plus 271. 119 plus 592. Remember to show me how you did it. Show me what you are storing in the attic. 448 plus 180. 225 plus 306. 371 plus 438. 264 plus 99. Grade 2, don't let it freak you out if you look at it just like this. Take it step by step. Okay, you know the steps. Put them in their houses, start with your units, store in the attic what you have to, finish your other sum, remember the number in the attic, and write the answer. Okay, it's not intimidating if you take it step by step. So you can pause and do all of your addition carrying over sums. Okay, by this time, if you have unpaused, you should have all of these filled in. I'm moving on to the second part. That says, solve the subtraction problems with regrouping. Correctly borrow where needed. I want to see you borrow. I want to see. Okay, I borrowed from this one, so I'm crossing it out. This is what's left, and this is what he gave to his neighbor. Okay, I want to see that process. So, I'm reading the sums, then you can pause and go ahead and do them. 27 minus 18, 36 minus 29, 72 minus 54, 81 minus 66, 94 minus 47, 45 minus 38, 426 minus 137, 531 minus 296, 110 minus 104, 245 minus 128. 362 minus 173. 621 minus 595. Remember, step by step. Put them in the houses, start with your units, borrow from your neighbor, show what the neighbor has left, show what the neighbor borrowed to the other neighbor, write the answer. Step by step, easy peasy. So pause and do your subtraction problems. Good, once you're finished with that, we are here at our word problems. Read the word problems. Decide whether or not they are addition or subtraction. Write the correct addition or subtraction sum, number, sentence, and solve. Remember, when we do word sums, there are 3 steps. Draw the problem, write the number sentence, answer the question. Okay, so Alani, Misha, and Jessie went looking for leaves on a hike. Alani collected 11 leaves. This is where you should be drawing your first picture. Alani collected 11 leaves. Pause, draw your first picture. That's how we usually do it in class, step by step. Next, Misha collected 22 leaves. There's your second picture. And Jessie collected 18 leaves. Third picture. All here. How many leaves did the friends collect on their hike? See, now it's so much easier because you have the pictures in front of you. Write the number sentence. You already drew your problem. Write the number sentence. Because it's asking, Alani has 11, Misha has 22, Jessie has 18. How many did they collect? I'm trying to help you. Write the number sentence. And then write the answer at the bottom. This many leaves. You can write the numbers underneath each other over here at a blank space to be able to regroup. Good. Next one. Cherise and, I'm guessing that's Cherise. Cherise and her mom baked 32 cookies for the school bake sale. Cherise sold 25 cookies. So there was your first picture. Cherise and her mom baked 32 cookies. Cherise sold 25. 25 of those, I can't say that. How many cookies did she have left over? So write the number sentence. They baked 32, they baked 32, they sold 25. Write the number sentence. You can write them underneath each other here to be able to regroup. And then you write your answer. And that is it. Grade 2, if you have done all of that, then congratulations. I'm sorry, I'm stretching while I'm saying this. You are done with your quizzes for the day. Hurrah! All you have left is our creative writing, and I think it's going to be so much fun because you are going to be writing a newspaper article that you can make up all by yourself. Yay!